Hi, everybody. My name is Laura James. Um, I'm a single person. I'm a caregiver. I work 7 days a week, twice a day. And a couple of years ago, the VA teamed up with another company to provide caregivers and military family members with what they called a desktop garden. So they sent a kit, which was a small box, and 3 succulents. And that's how my journey started. So I am a guaranteed houseplant killer. I couldn't take care of a houseplant to save my life. But succulents are so different from houseplants. They're easier to take care of. They are many varieties, and it's really fun to go to a nursery or Walmart or one of the big box stores and just see all the different kinds. So I wanted to know how to take care of these so I wouldn't kill them. So I took to Facebook. Everybody takes to Facebook. And I found a couple of pages that listed some facts, but I happened to stumble across a post from Succulents and Sunshine, and they were really interesting, and so I decided to check out the club that they offered, which is the Succulent Lovers Club. And I joined. There's many supportive people. If you want a place to just post pictures and tell everybody what you're trying, there's lots of support. There's no negativity allowed. And it's really fun. They have workshops. We have Zoom calls, all different times of the day, all different days of the week. They try really hard to accommodate everybody. So I went from 3 succulents to now I have a bunch. So these are some of my succulents. So that's in the living room. Then we'll go into the kitchen. I'll show you my nursery. This is my nursery where all my babies are. And this is my window setup. If you want a place where you're accepted, no matter what, Succulent Lovers Club is the place to go.